Tracking your forecast, I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens. Winds are going to back off quite a bit tomorrow, but it is still going to be pretty breezy, if not a bit windy, across parts of Arizona. Here in the valley, our wind gusts near 20 miles per hour in the afternoon, and temperatures dropping into the 80s. Phoenix hitting 87 tomorrow afternoon, more than 5 degrees below normal for this time of the year. I do want to show you winds across the state, though, because there's still going to be an issue across eastern Arizona, out near where the Greer fire is burning. We could still see sustained winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour throughout the day on Wednesday, and gusts in the 45 to 50 mile per hour range in that part of Arizona. As we head through the afternoon, very breezy, if not a bit windy, all across eastern AZ, breezes across the high country, and that's when we start to pick up breezes here in the valley as well. And then winds will lighten up statewide late tomorrow night. Those fire weather factors, though, that we're looking at: a moderate risk for high winds, a high risk for low humidity across much of Arizona, but a lower risk for high temperatures, as we see temperatures across Arizona several degrees below average for this time of year in the forecast for tomorrow. As we take a look at what to expect here, we've got a storm system passing to our north. That's our wind maker, bringing in that cooler air too. It's going to head out to the northeast. We've got another area of low pressure to our southwest. Minimal impacts to our forecast with this. It just kind of hangs out down there for a few days. Then the next storm system comes in from the northwest. We've got chances for rain, maybe a little bit of mountain snow heading into early next week across the high country, and more wind and another dose of cool air on the way as well. So tomorrow, below average all across the valley. We even have Carefree in the 70s tomorrow. Mesa will hit 85, Queen Creek at 83, and Tempe at 86. Here's your West Valley forecast: 87 in Levine and Avondale, 85 in Peoria, and 86 degrees in Glendale for tomorrow afternoon. Early morning lows mostly in the 60s. Phoenix down to 64, and 60s out to the northwest for Bullhead City and Lake Havasu City too. Up north, freezing temperatures for Flagstaff, Window Rock, and the south rim of the Grand Canyon, and high temperatures tomorrow right in the low 60s for those spots, with Payson and Sedona in the low 70s. But nice and cool for this time of year all across Arizona tomorrow. We are expecting temperatures to rebound by the end of the week, but we get another cool down over the weekend. Winds will pick up again Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, especially Sunday across the high country, and we'll see temperatures plummet. Phoenix down to 86 on Sunday, Flagstaff at 53 with a 30% chance for showers.